Aloha. Importing data into Microsoft Excel 2007 from databases and websites. Simplify the way you move data into a spreadsheet by Raymond D. Messervy, Nicholas L. Ball, and Marshall B. Lomney, June 2009, Journal of Accountancy. Presented by Shinji Naganuma and Yunfei Shi. Okay, our situation is this. CPA or managers need to analyze various data from companies, databases, or the internet. You may have to cut and paste them into a spreadsheet, but it's time consuming. So the purpose of this video is make a spreadsheet that automatically receive the latest data from companies' databases or from the internet when you open the Excel file. In order to accomplish these purposes, we're gonna introduce you 4 objects. First, pulling data from a local database. Second, take only the data you need through pivot table. And 3, capturing online data. These 3 are we kind of already discussed before, but we go over and we're gonna have a quiz questions from these 3. And lastly, I'm gonna introduce connecting to your company's database. Now Yunfei is gonna take time to introduce these first 3 steps.
Aloha, this is Yunfei. Now I'm first gonna talk about how to pulling data from a local database. Now we have all sources from the Journal of Accountancy. If you go to the article, they provide you the database. You go and click on the link, and then it will tell you how to save this file. Since I'm gonna for saving time, I have already saved the file. So you go to, now we're gonna put the data into Excel. You go to data ribbon and click on from access. I save it on desktop, so go to desktop and sales data. I'm gonna put it on this worksheet on A1 cell. Click on OK. So now you can see all the data is over here. Now we want to refresh the data. So in order to refresh the data, we go back and change some data in the access. If you don't close this spreadsheet before opening the database to modify its data, the database will open as a read-only file. That will prevent you from saving any changes you make to the data in the database. So now we close this spreadsheet and then say save. And save it to desktop and close it. Now we go to the desktop. We open our access data, and this is security. You open the data. Now we're gonna change the amount from $20 to $2,000. We're gonna change the shoes to $3,000, and close it. It will save automatically, and we go back to the Excel spreadsheet. Right now it doesn't change. In order to refresh the data, go to data, click on connections, properties, and we click on refresh data when opening file. and click on OK. Close. Now you refresh, and you can see the games and shoes are refreshed to the amount that I changed in the database. Now we're going to create a pivot table based on the data we pull from the resources. We go to Insert, Pivot Table. This is the table that we're going to use, and I want the table be on this new worksheet. We click on, sorry, I made a mistake. We click on Use an External Data Sources. So the data are going to be all from the we click on Browse for more. The data will be based on the Access file. Click on Open on this new worksheet. Location, the existing worksheet. The location will be I1. Click on OK. And we want to filter the data on amount and sales rep. This is the pivot table that we created. Now I'm gonna do the capturing online data. So we go to data. Now you can see we can't click on any ribbon here, so we got click on some empty cell. So we click on from web, and we insert the website that we have in the Journal of Accountancy. So it's money.cnn.com/magazine Fortune 500 /2008 /full low bar list and slash, and we'll click on go. Now we can see this is the new web query that we have. We want the data of the companies, so we clicked on the yellow arrow. It turned green, so the data here will all be captured into the Excel spreadsheets. So click on import, and we want it to in cell L2 and existing worksheet. Click on OK, and we're gonna wait until the data gonna be here. Okay, now you can see all the data. The companies are on L2 cell. Now I'm gonna turn the time to Shinji.
Okay, now I am going to introduce Open Database Connectivity, ODBC. First off, ODBC will enable you to or allow you to use Excel to import data from many types of databases, including those designed to support thousands of different users. So in order to use that function, you should save this file and close it, and go to Windows button and go to Control Panel and select Administrative Tools here, and go to Data Sources, ODBC, click that, and go to File, DSN tab, and you go to Add and choose SQL Server, and next. here you go to browse and you want to save it on the desktop. So choose desktop and file name is, for this case, accountancy. And save it. And next. And finish. And description is same, put accountancy. And server number is, it's on the wiki. For this case, it's 128.187.60.102. Go to next. You choose this one with SQL Server. Go to client configuration. If it was checked, you uncheck this box. And port number is 5901. And press OK. User ID. We choose accountancy. And password for this is demo, DEMO. And go to next. And check this box. Change the default database to web SQL. And go to next. And finish. Test data source. Test completed successfully, so press OK. OK and OK. And close these things. And now we're gonna open the new Excel file, Microsoft Excel 2010. And I'm gonna save it as accountancy. Desktop. And now you go to data ribbon and press existing connections, since we made our connections, and browse for more, and go to desktop and choose accountancy that we made just now, and open it and put user ID is accountancy and password was DMO, and press OK. Now it's gonna extract the data from this server, but it takes time, so we tried this and in the library and other computers in this campus, but it didn't work somehow. But you can refer to wiki. It's on the wiki web page and it gives you further information. So this is the end of our presentation. Mahalo.